Welcome to Mr. Sugam, your exploring destination. Today, we're unboxing the highly anticipated MacBook Air M1. But before we unbox this beauty, make sure to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss out on our future tech adventures. Here it is, the MacBook Air M1. This slim wonder is packed with power. Let's talk about the heart of this beast, the Apple M1 chip. Lightning fast and power efficient, it's a game changer. Open it up, and you're greeted by a stunning Retina display. Colors pop, and details shine. Despite its sleekness, the MacBook Air M1 doesn't skimp on ports. Thunderbolt 4 for all your connectivity needs. And the keyboard, it's a dream to type on, making productivity a breeze. But what about performance? The M1 chip handles everything you throw at it, from heavy tasks to daily multitasking. Battery life, prepare to be amazed, it lasts all day, so you can keep going. Running on macOS, the MacBook Air ensures a seamless experience across all your Apple devices. So, there you have it, the MacBook Air M1, a perfect blend of power and style. Make sure to subscribe to Mr. Sugam for more exciting tech adventures like this one. Hit that subscribe button and join us in exploring the future of technology. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.